What is up, boys? Today we are back again on another vlog, and ano lang, we're gonna be doing a chill city ride. Oh my god, it's so loud! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Oh. Hey! We're back with the vlogging, and this time we're gonna be doing something special. Hindi naman yung ano lang, we're gonna be doing a chill city ride. We're gonna meet up with our another BM boy S1. Di grabe dapat gawa ng BM group. BMBs, BM boys. Ito ang pinakamasarap pre sa pagsasaya ng bike, yung pag-turn on. Oh. Oh. Oh, you hear that, guys? Oh, sarap. Uy, chill lang ah. Holy shit! Holy shit! Ewan na! This is the sound of symphony, pre. Ooh. Grabe talaga tong bike na to. Oh, sobrang dali sa kanya mag 200. Haven't used the SLX in a while. Yep, let's go. Auna, pade. Whoa! Shush! I'll be right behind you. Sa likod lang ako, sa likod lang ako. Let's go! Gagong bango ng asphalt. I love the smell of grease, dirt, gunk, oil, and asphalt, baby. This is such a revitalizing way, Chad. You know, I've been streaming a lot these days, and it burns me out, guys. Like playing video games burns me out. I always said I'd always love video games, but it burns me out. And now I'm riding, it just revitalizes me. It makes me feel alive again. You know, it's like my getaway from video games as a job. But still, I still love playing video games. It's passion ka pa rin. Oh, gago. May aso. Ayos ah. Humingi naman. Please scan me, please scan me. Please, 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 please. Ayoko ilabas. Fuck. Oh shit. I have to pull out the whole fucking thing. I have to pull out the whole cards. The whole thing, chat. The whole thing, there we go, and then I'll put it back. But still, pulling out the whole thing is so hassle. Yeah. Asan ka na? Yes, let's go. Sorry. Yeah, dude, that's the thing about the most hassle thing in the bike, chat, is pag inaskan yung mo RFID mo. So we're gonna be chilling here and gonna wait for another of our fellow S1K boys. She should be around here. Oh, a BM caught in the wild. So we're gonna be waiting here for a bit, and then we're gonna bounce. Nakapicture na kasi ako dito eh.
2 very boring minutes later.
There's my boy, guys. There's my boy. There's my boy right there. Sheesh, look at that beautiful bike. Yo, rinig na rinig ka. Pogi, oh.
What's up?
That's my boy. Good morning, pre. What's up, what's up?
Di pa naka-zip.
Di ba naka-zip? Yes, sir. Team BM. So, yan. Ito lineup natin yan. 2020 S1, 2018 S1, 2018 RS 1200. So these are lineup for today. We got the RS S1, the 2018 S1, and his new 2023 S1. Pogi, grabe talaga yung winglet to. Iba talagang winglet ng S1. All S1s today. Ganda na tunog eh. Daming ba? Sanay na to. Ganyan trabaho niyan eh. Oh. Uy! Nikos! Chill! Chill, gago! Ito pala yun, puro stoplight. Uwi na lang tayo. Puro stoplight. Pwede ba daw? Ako na. No, don't look at me. No, I died. Ganda ng view, oh. Damn. Ganda ng lineup. Pogi tingnan. Sheesh. Ingay ng bike na to, sobra.
5 minutes later.
Sige. Noted. Alright guys, we're back. We're done eating coffee. Drink coffee. On the way back home na.
Wow.
Yo, nagpa-approve si kuya sa akin eh. Cute ni kuya. Enjoy siya. No, bro. Oh my God, grabe. Oh my God. Oh, it's too loud. I'm filling up the whole place with my sound. Holy moly. A beast of a bike. Grabe talaga. Kala mo nagpaparilan eh. Tangin na. Di ba tayo mahuli nito? Yo, approve si kuya. Ganda ng araw, oh. Putragis. Let's go. Hands, no hands. Patingin nga, no hands. Oh yeah. Yo! Yo! Oh! 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 Ang daya! No hands! Galing ah! Oh, ingat ka ah! Oh! 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 No hands pa din! Wow! Ano yan, Lods? Naka-autopilot ba yan? Daig pa Tesla pre! Oh, uy! Uy! Uy, pangit yung daan dito. Oh, no hands din no? No hands ka dun? Ang daya talaga ng mga BMW, naka no hands.